What we need to do is to now solve for fx is equal to 4. To solve for this, I just need to sketch another line onto the graph that I've already drawn in part 1. The graph is y is equal to fx, I'll sketch the line y is equal to 4. Sketching it onto here, finding the x coordinate of the point of intersection, that is going to give us the solution to this equation here. So from my graphing calculator, I'll be able to get x is equal to 2. This will answer for us the first part of the question. Then we need to show algebraically that there is no other real solution. What we need to do is to take a look at fx is equal to 4 and try to prove that x is equal to 2 is that only solution. So when fx is equal to 4, it's given to me that fx is x to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 2x minus 4. This is equal to 4, which means that when I'm trying to solve for this cubic polynomial, 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. I know since x is equal to 2 is a root, that means one of the factor must be x minus 2. Let's try to do a long division to find the other quadratic factor. If I were to carry out a long division, it is going to be x to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 2x minus 8. And this divided by x minus 2. So here it is going to be x squared. So x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared minus, this is going to give me a 3x squared minus 2x. Here I will multiply it by a 3x. So 3x squared minus 6x. And this I will get a 4x. So 4x minus 8. Then here I will add a plus 4. So this is 4x minus 8. This is equal to 0. And I expect the remainder to be 0 anyway, since x minus 2 is a factor. So the other quadratic factor is x squared plus 3x plus 4. So this I can rewrite it as x minus 2 and x squared plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is going to give us one of the roots. What we need to now show is that this quadratic factor has no real solution. Then we will be able to prove that for fx is equal to 4, there is no other real solution. So I'm going to take this by looking at just x squared plus 3x plus 4. By looking at this expression, I'm going to come out with the discriminant. Since this is a quadratic expression, let's look at the discriminant. As long as we can show that the discriminant is negative, then immediately this is not going to have any solution. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, and this is equal to minus 7, and this is less than 0. That is why this quadratic factor is not going to give us any solution, and that is also why we can conclude, or we have already proven that fx is equal to 4 has only one real solution.